Hi everybody, I'm just going to be doing a quick outfit of the day. I'm going to Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, and it's going to be really hot outside, so I'm wearing something that will keep me cool. So the first thing I'm wearing is this bathing suit underneath from Victoria's Secret, and the bottoms are also from Victoria's Secret, but they're just black. And then I have this lace crochet crop top from Forever 21. Just looks like this. It's really pretty. And then I have these really pretty colored blue shorts from Hurley. I'm not exactly sure what store I got them from, but I know that they're Hurley shorts. And then for shoes, I'm wearing my famous gold sandals from Old Navy. I wear these literally all the time. And then my necklace, as always. And I don't have any makeup on. There's still makeup under my eyes. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna wear today. It's gonna be so hot, but it's gonna be so fun. I'm going with my friends. So thanks for watching.